Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by locating the file or shortcut you want to inspect. Right-click it and open Properties. Once done, switch to the Details or Digital Signatures tab to reveal publisher information. If there is a Digital Signatures entry, select it and click Details, then view Certificate to see the publisher name. Make sure to copy the exact publisher string. It's the authoritative identifier used by Windows and by software inventories for trust decisions. Now, open PowerShell as administrator and run Get Authenticode Signature on the file path to get a programmatic view. Once done, examine the signer certificate property to see subject and issuer fields. These show the publisher name and certificate authority. If no signature exists, use getFileHash and vendor documentation to match files. Alternatively, use SigCheck or sysinternals to list signature details. This gives precise, searchable publisher data for inventories and audits. Finish by confirming the publisher against the vendor's official site or the certificate's issuing authority. Validate the certificate chain to be sure it's genuine. If the publisher field is missing or says unknown, recheck the file origin, compare file hashes, or obtain a fresh copy from the vendor. If problems persist, run SigCheck or Defender Smart Screen for additional validation, and remember, an unsigned app isn't automatically malicious, but it requires.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.